In this video, you'll learn how to check your Binance account number. This process involves understanding how Binance identifies accounts and how to find a unique account identifier known as your Binance ID. Binance does not use traditional account numbers like a bank. Instead, accounts are identified by a registered email or a unique Binance ID. Many users may confuse this with a bank account number, but it is essential to recognize that Binance operates differently. Your Binance IDs are used for transactions between users on the platform. To find your Binance ID, begin by logging into your Binance account. After logging in, locate and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the dashboard. This action will open a drop-down menu where you can view various account settings. Once the menu appears, look for your Binance UID displayed prominently within your profile section. This number serves as your official account identifier for transactions. It is important to keep your Binance ID secure and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. This UID is linked directly to your account and can be used by others to send you funds. When engaging in transactions, always confirm that you are providing your UID only to trusted individuals. This practice helps maintain the security of your account and prevents unauthorized access. When sending or receiving funds within the Binance platform, you may be prompted to enter a Binance ID. Ensure that you provide your UID only during trusted transactions. Remember that while the Binance ID functions similarly to a bank account number for internal transfers, it is not the same. Always verify the ID before confirming any transfers to minimize the risk of errors or fraud. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.